Every Thursday is Thirsty Thursday with the Blue Claws. Join us at every Thursday home game for $2 Coors and Coors Light cans, both in the fresh new Sandbar and all over the concourse. Join the Thirsty Thursday Club and you'll get 10 undated Thursday tickets that can be used in any denomination at any Thursday game. Use 10 at one game or 1 at 10 different games, all for just $120. 50% savings off the day of game price. Thirsty Thursday with the Jersey Shore Blue Claws. For tickets, visit blueclaws.com/promotions. That's blueclaws.com/promotions. New pitcher for Jersey Shore, 5, and now back in 2026. And I don't think we'll be here for too much longer. First pitch, the splitter. Check swing by Vaheva, 5 strikeouts. And the Taiwanese right-hander deals a called strike in the count. And here's the 2-0, and that's in there for a strike. He throws a 98-mile-an-hour fastball to back it up. That one tipped foul at home plate, and the count 2-2. Hub City 8-4. Here's the 2-2. Fastball fouled away, 97. So because of that, Frederick a little less than 3 weeks away. And that's the splitter down and outside, ball 3. And here's the 3-2 pitch. Splitter, swing and a miss. He got him for strike 3.
Those of you watching on the stream saw that 81 miles an hour.
Here's Ike Irish, who struck out his last time and takes in there for a called strike. First round pick of the Orioles last year. Here's the 0-1. And there's the fastball, 95 and a misses. 1 ball. Keys. And the 1-1 pitch is slashed up third foul. And the count 1-2. Yeaman's 3-run double in the top of the 8th inning. Here's a line shot into center from Matheson, coming on a few steps to make the grab. So Irish lines out, and there are 2 men down. Ended, they just transferred him to the Blue Claws. Fastball high, 1 ball, no strikes. This is his 4th game on the Blue Claws roster. Fouled away third base side. And the count is 1-1. One on Figueroa. He had the double that started that 3-run rally. Fouls this one off down the left field line, 1-2. That was in the 8th inning. He doubled to center. 1-2 from Pond. Here's his 15th pitch of the inning. Fastball right down the middle. Got him looking, strike 3. They had Figueroa looking for the splitter, and he strikes him out looking with a fastball. Back-to-back strikeout.